So let's make a dashboard within 2 minutes. What we are going to do is find out how many unit product is sold by the sales representative and region. So first, we are going to identify the unique sales representative using one function called unique. Let's type unique and select the column of the sales representative. Press enter. So now you get to see the unique sales representative available in this dataset. The same way we can identify how many unique region is available in the dataset. Just type unique and select the region column. Press enter. So here we can see that we have 4 different regions, but the data is showing vertically, but we need this data horizontally. So what we are going to do is wrap the unique function with the transpose function. If we do that, we get to see the data is now showing horizontally. Let's format it so that it becomes table header and fill the cells with a different color. Only dark one, and let's make it white. So now we have unique regions and a unique sales representative. Now what we are going to do is using one function to calculate the total unit pieces is sold by a particular salesperson in a particular region, and that function is Sumifs. Let's start with Sumifs. The first criteria is sum range, which column we want to sum. Let's select the unit. And the second condition is criteria range 1. Our first criteria is the sales representative. Now let's select the sales representative column. Now we have to set the criteria. So our first criteria is the first person. Let's go to the criteria range 2. Our second criteria is the region. So let's select the region column. And finally, the criteria is the region west. Let's press enter. So we can see that Diana sold 274 units of product in the west region. Now the easiest way is to pull it down and copy this for all the sales representatives. If we want to do that, we have to make some changes first. As we want to copy below, the row number should be fixed. So we are going to put a $sign before row number. And if we want to copy horizontally, it is required that for the sales representative, the column number stays fixed. So we are going to put a $sign before column. Now let's press enter and copy it below for all representatives. Now we can see that there are only 4 sales representatives who sold product in the west region. Now let's copy it and paste it for the 3 other region and pull all 3 columns together downward for every representatives. Now we have a small dashboard where we can see how many pieces of product is sold by a particular sales representative in a particular region. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.